Hello, glad you could make it. Would you like to create meaningful evaluations from a large amount of available data that show you interactively certain developments such as sales, production figures, financial data, or other data? Perhaps you would like to know which product or sales area is growing faster or slower than others, or how a new product is developing in specific countries, or what innovative power your company has. For example, how large is the sales share of products that have not been on the market for very long? Data analysis often entails pulling extensive amounts of information from a wide variety of data sources, which requires preparation. This is exactly where Power BI comes in. Power BI will support you in preparing and analyzing data sources, including data sets and models, or relationships between tables, meaningful visualizations for data, filters, and slicers, in addition to bookmarks. Sound complicated? Don't worry. You'll be guided step by step through the content using real world examples. In order to be able to follow the course contents, you should be familiar with Excel. And if you miss any content, just repeat the session. I'm a video, so very patient. The content of this course is mainly taught using the Power BI Pro version. A separate chapter then deals specifically with the Power BI service, so that the entire spectrum is covered for you. To get the most out of this course, you should install at least the 60-day free trial version of Power BI Pro. And don't worry, in the first chapters of this course, you will find more detailed information about the different Power BI versions for better orientation. At the end of this course, you will be able to master all the important steps to create and share meaningful Power BI reports, alone or together. Your newly acquired basic knowledge will also enable you to independently conduct further research on specific questions or functions. We're happy to have you here.